on the way to Makati, going for the Rakwireless workshop.
Yeah.
And my colleague Carl is driving us.
Yes.
Very friendly, coming all the way down from Rizal just to pick us up.
So we finally arrived here in Makati. However, there are two City Gardens hotels here.
Yeah, one is a new one is an older one, and I'm thinking we are at the wrong one because this is the old one. But Carl is still checking, and it took him a long time inside.
Oh, nga, chit-chatting with the girls.
Oh.
So Carl went down and trying to confirm with the hotel here if this is the right one. Kasi may reservations na. So we have to know which one. Is it the newer building or this older hotel here? Both are City Garden.
One is City Garden Hotel, the other one is City Garden Grand Hotel.
Oh.
Check-out time from your reservation is currently and it is with breakfast. And it is located at the second floor. It starts from 6 a.m. until 10:30. Just tell them the room number.
Okay, you record everything because she's talking very fast.
So for whatever reason, we got a one-time upgrade for our hotel room. Isn't it nice?
Bye-bye.
Okay. I'm Teresa. Bye-bye.
Thank you. See you later.
See you later.
On the rooftop or for dinner or whatever.
Yeah, sure.
This is our room for 2 nights. And upgraded na raw ito. Okay, let's see. Ah, there is the view.
Quite modern. I mean, not as old as I expected.
Walang ipis.
I hope not.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want to say.
So we are here on the roof deck of City Garden Hotel here in Makati. Taking a break. On the roof deck you find the swimming pool. And it's actually a small roof deck.
Yeah.
Very, very small. We are feeling so bored.
Yes. Kasi walang computer, walang Facebook, walang TikTok. Oh wait, TikTok is not computer. No, it's also computer.
We are feeling so bored. We're trying to kill the time. We're here right now at the lobby.
Alright. running the elevator up and down and left and right.
Oo nga. We are somehow hoping that somebody from the team is down here. So at least.
I'm wondering where they went.
Oo nga eh. Anyway. A couple of hours more and we can have our dinner.
It's already 5 o'clock something. So hopefully soon. Maybe early dinner.
Yep.
Early sleeping because tomorrow we have to get out early.
Oo. And also, walang smoking room.
Yep.